Hi guys, today we are making bird feeders. Let's get started. All you need is bird seeds, ice cream cones, peanut butter, and yarn, string, or twine. Let's get started. So first, poke a hole through your ice cream cone like this. Ask the grown-up for help for this part. Next, you're going to take your peanut butter, and then you are going to spread it around the bottom of the ice cream cone like this. Take your butter knife and spread the peanut butter around. Kind of like making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Sometimes peanut butter may have oil, so you may want to mix them well, or otherwise the seeds won't stick on pretty well. I'm going to keep adding peanut butter to my ice cream cone right here, like this. Almost finished adding some peanut butter to my ice cream cone, and then we'll move on to the next step. And here you go, I think I'm finished. So anyways, next, after when you put peanut butter on your ice cream cone, roll the ice cream cone in your bowl of bird seeds so the seeds will stick on your ice cream cone like this. And there we go. We're halfway there, finishing our bird feeder. Let's move on to the next step. Next, what you're going to do is take your string and your scissors and cut the string and put the string through the hole. And it doesn't have to be string, it can also be yarn or twine. And it can be a little bit tricky sometimes. It's a little bit tricky, but it's okay. After you put the string through the hole like this, you're finished. Your bird feeder is complete. So anyways, when you finish making your bird feeder, now it's time to hang it up. So let's go outside and let's hang it up.
So anyways guys, you want to hang your bird feeder up, find a good spot, perfect spot for you. I'm going to hang mine up in the tree. It's super simple, and well, it also attracts birds and makes the seeds off the bird feeder. And that is how you make a bird feeder. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.